Hey folks, August 4th, 2020, it's 3:33 p.m. Central, 4:33 p.m. Eastern. Let's review the timing calendar. We were expecting a low on 4th and we got our low. And the major barrier that needed to be surpassed was roughly around 3305. And that actually shows that the positive cycle is engaged in August. So we can expect more gains from here. However, looking at the timing calendar for this week, tomorrow is the best shot. So, tomorrow should turn out to be, it should be a mixed day. Obviously it shows as a high to low. So it is possible that we would have moved higher already before the open and the futures actually float higher um, this evening, starting this evening. So from there, as we can see, the timing calendar is moving down. 6 could also yield a higher high, but it won't stick. So we're probably going to get like an ABC down into 7th, another bottom, and then eventually another pop higher on 10th. So that's what we have from the timing calendar. Intraday, obviously, I posted the comments. The hourlies were on sell, but with the rising daily pivots or DPs, that decline was actually a buy, and I actually called it. So I also said that the last hour will see the most gains, relatively speaking, for the day, and we did. So looking at the monthly wicks cycles, still very firmly poised in the bullish channel, above the mid channel, and it will, S&P is not going to decline below 3280 um, for now. And if we take the midpoints, then we actually scaled on 4th, we scaled above the midpoint of, at 3275 and 3336, which actually says that market is ready to hit the green line, the top channel. So that's what we get from the wick cycles. I'm trying to project this forward as well because it moves slowly and a couple of days of movement doesn't really impact it. But this is in the research category. But if it pans out, then it suggests that we actually cleared the ATH in August. So let's see if that comes true. This is the unified model, my attempt to predict what tomorrow's bar might look like. We closed above the mob, 3292.54. So that is the support for tomorrow's bar or the next 24 hours. So we should stay above this number, and clearly once we move over 3308.71, then market should move towards, from this model, 3348.71. When we came into the week through the neural, I saw roughly 3323 to 3333. So let's see what happens there. The daily pivots are rising, hourlies were on sell, but the DPs were rising, and that pretty much told me that the dip's gonna be a buy. Yesterday we had a sell on hourlies, which pointed to 3277, and we got an overnight low of 3278, but actually early AM, actually right at the low CIT that I had published yesterday on the CIT map. Looking at the Elliott waves, all the waves are on buy. So this actually suggests that with higher degrees on buy, only hourlies can correct. So which means this is pretty much a massive mob. This is the max that the hourlies can correct, and the higher degree waves are moving higher. The major news today is that we actually exceeded the quarterly positive cycle pivot at 3304.72 by clocking 3306.84. So this actually opened up 38.33, and you've been watching this. Once it announces the next target, very rare for it to actually fail. This target has been confirmed for August. And all of these targets are successive targets, meaning if this goes, this is the next target. If this goes, and this is the next target, so on and so forth. I think the CID map should play out as is. Tomorrow is high to low, and so I think the behavior will be mixed because I actually see the daily cycle maybe still sustaining into sixth. So it's going to be kind of a mixed cycle in my view. So uh, calling tomorrow's polarity is not going to be easy in my view. But for now, I think we go higher into 3 to 4 a.m. and then start a down cycle, which could either bottom here once again at 6, roughly 7 a.m. maybe, and then retest at 11 a.m., move high, sharply higher into noon, then just go sideways rest of the session, and then maybe another pop higher on 6th, and then decline. So that's kind of the update, and start trailing your profit, protect your profits, or take profits if we make it to the range of 33.23 that we had seen, at least partially, and then wait out into tomorrow's session and see if there's any more. So I'll see you on the board, and good luck.